Walking.
Yeah, what's this?
Hiking.
Oh, say hi, YouTube.
Hiking.
This is Boss Baby and Dub C. This is Boss Baby's new toy. A mini, like, what? 120, 118, 120 scale. Grave digger. Digger truck. Here, let's drive it off. Daddy, turn it on. Okay, drive it off. Drive it to the table. Go. Is it not working? Did you kill the batteries?
Kill bite. Kill bite. Kill bite.
Oh, okay, go. Here, drive it. Gotta turn it on. Drive it off the table. Woohoo! Okay, so we have an unboxing from Amazon today. Just one item. It is washers. How did you know? Oh, you found a washer? Let me see it.
Washer.
Yeah, it's probably what you. Where'd it go? Yeah, probably from your Stampede stuff. Okay, we're gonna have to do a magnet search. Okay, let's get this open. Boom! Look at these. What are those? Show the camera. Show YouTube. These are Racers Edge. They're body spacers. Foam body spacers. So these will be good for the new body for the Italian and for his Stampede. Keep them nice and keep the new paint that we're going to put on them safe. And you get 50 in here. So the best deal you can get. Got them off Amazon. Okay, that's it. Just that one. Say bye. Okay. Say Boss Baby and Dub C out.